Problem solving question, step 1. We're going to read it. This sign was in a doctor's waiting room. 115 appointments were missed last month. These missed appointments were a total of 25.3 hours. Work out the mean length of time for each missed appointment. Give your answer in minutes. It's a 3-mark question. Step 2, we're going to highlight the key words. So for me, 15 appointments, number of hours, we're looking at mean length, and we need the answer in minutes at the end. Now, that minutes and that is hours, so there is going to be a unit conversion, which is what we're going to put in the topics. But it's also mean, so we're looking at the mean, which is an average. If you remember mean, median, mode, there's a possible process here, which is what I'm going to follow, but you can hide that and work it through yourself if that's if you want to challenge, you want to stretch yourself. So there's no formula, and I'm not going to draw a sketch for this. So let's start with the workings. We're going to look at the mean first, and we're going to do the hour conversion in a second. So the mean is add and divide. Total time, let's move that up a little bit, divided by number of appointments. Now you can use a divide symbol if you prefer. It's the total time which is added together, which we know is this already, so we don't need to add anything together, it's this. Number of appointments is your 115. Now in this step, we're going to change our hours to minutes. There are 60 minutes in an hour, so we're going to multiply it by 60. It is a calculator question. Please use your calculator. 25.3 multiplied by 60 equals 1518. The number of appointments doesn't change. So again, we put that into our calculator. I'm actually going to use my answer button. So it's the number that was last on the answer line. But if you're not familiar with the answer button, I changed it with my SD button here. If you're not familiar with that button, then please don't use it. Put the number in again. I'm just going to double check because last time I did this, I got a different answer, but this one I really like, 13.2 minutes. So just give me another second. 25.3 multiplied by 60 is 1518. I then divide that by 115 and I get 13.2. Last time I did this, I got a decimal number that went on forever. So really like this one. So therefore, this is 13.2 minutes, which is about 13 minutes. Because we generally don't have 0.2 of a minute. I mean, we could do it in seconds, but it only asks for the answer in minutes. And that's what goes on our answer line. Last 2 steps here. Check you've answered the question. It said, give my answer in minutes. It was the mean. And then check my workings. I did that as I went through, but I could check it again.